For this video guys, no, facing meals with your family, no, especially children in one table at a time is a good blessing, no. After work, yan walang arte-arte, salo-salo yan, at yan ay isang magandang pundasyon para sa isang magandang samahan ng mga anak sa pamilya, no. Ayan, so natututo sila sa isang simpleng hapagkainan, no, nag-uusap habang kumakain, hindi man perfect pero masaya, no. And after all this time, I am proud being a father to have my children's respect, no, not in perfect time, but in conditional manner when they're around you, no. That's what a feeling of happiness they've shared.